Hey guys, hope everyone's good out there today. So today I want to share something that I used before and I really like them. So if you have chrome lug nuts and say you wanted to make them black, okay, you can buy the black lug nuts. They're expensive. They're over $100, like $170 I think, to get all black lug nuts. I wish these were black, but like I said, I don't want to spend that much money. But there's an easy way to change them that gives it the same look for a lot cheaper. I had them on my cord before and I like them. They work really good. Like I said, it'll give it that same appearance. So check these out. I don't know if you guys have even seen these, but they're lug nut covers. And they come in a variety of colors too. They just simply slip over the lug nuts and covers the chrome. So here's what they are. You have to get the right sizing for them. You have to get, on these, you have to get the biggest ones. So these ones are for up to 23 millimeter lug nut, and that's what you need for these. Anything smaller won't work because these are actually pretty big. So all you do is slide them on. And it even covers the locking lug nut that I have on here. It fits. You have to stretch it a little bit, but it still fits. There you go. And they're silicone. They hold really tight. I've never had a problem. Actually, if you leave them on there for a long time, it's hard to get them off because they kind of seat on there. So you don't have to worry about that. But instantly change the look. And they're cheap. About $12, I think, I paid for a full set for the whole car. I wasn't about to spend almost $200 for black lug nuts. That will get chipped when the dealers use their impact wrenches to take the wheels off. If you rotate them or whatever you do, they do get scarred up and they don't look that nice anymore. So like I said, it's an easy solution. Just clean the lug nut really well. You know, if you live in areas that a lot of moisture, I would take them off and dry out underneath them just so you don't keep the moisture in there. That's probably the only thing I would consider, just because it could trap moisture under there, but I feel it ties it all together. So I'll go ahead and put these all on and I'll show you what it looks like. So you can see instantly darkens it up, of course. Like I said, I always like things like this because you can save yourself some money and get the same look to it. Now it all flows. Like I said, they aren't coming off. They hold really tight. So try them out. For the money, see them. If you don't like them, it's only, like I said, $12 for a set. Eventually I'll be changing the center cap A just so it's all cohesive, but really nice. I always like how these turn out. So definitely check them out. You can get them pretty much anywhere. I got these on eBay. I'll put a link in the description where I bought these. If you guys want to check those out. Like I said, they have different colors, but of course black would be the most common if you have chrome lug nuts. Okay, so I just wanted to share that with you guys. Another solution, how to darken the wheels up like this, especially if you have the black version or black wheels. It's just an easy thing to do, and you're saving yourself hundreds of dollars. And it'll tie into the gloss black emblems and everything I'm trying to do here. And then, like I said, I'll change the center cap eventually too, to kind of flow. So definitely keep following me on this project. I appreciate it, as always, guys, and I'll catch you on the next one.